Today we're going to be talking about Bitcoin and where she's going and how you guys can make some good profits off. So far Bitcoin is falling as predicted back down to the 20-day moving average. If it falls below that, it's probably going to tap on this trend line right here around 62,000, maybe even as low as 61,500. So the best play is not to be buying Bitcoin, but getting ready to buy a lot of these altcoins over the next few days. When Bitcoin pops off and bounces off of this support, that's when altcoins are going to see up to 10% rises in certain cases. That's going to be your play. If you guys have access to leverage, what you're going to be doing is waiting for Bitcoin to come down here, buying up your altcoins or even Bitcoin if you want to. Play the bounce because it will have a nice green candle as it surges back above the 20-day moving average. You should have a price target of about 64,000 after that it drops all the way down here to maybe, let's say, sub 62,000, okay? That's going to be the play right now. Ultimately, what we want to see happen is it continually move up and down gradually. It doesn't have to boom all of a sudden. And then whales are going to kick in here, break us to above 69,000. And I think this will be a large enough consolidation time where we're able to see Bitcoin go to at least 75,000, maybe even 80,000 over the next few weeks. November is going to be a great bullish month. Just take a look at the monthly chart. We've had one surge. We're not done yet. We still have over 18 days here, guys. We're still due for a big push upwards. Make sure to pay attention to that. Watch the 4 hour. There's a lot of stuff going on at the moment. And if you guys wanted the reason why you should have sold last night, there was a trend line from here to here. We just broke down below that. There was still time to take a shorting position on Bitcoin if you wanted to, but the profits are not going to be as much as if you would have done it exactly on the trend line support. Alright everybody, have a great rest of your day and please consider subscribing to the channel.